Hi guys, you're watching Go IT Center, and in this video I am going to show you that how we can upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11. And many people are facing the problem while upgrading the old PC or unsupported hardware onto the Windows 11 from Windows 10 to Windows 11. So this video is little unique because in this video I will show you a little different technique through which you can upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11 bug free and error free. So let's start it. So first of all, you have to go onto the Chrome browser, and then you have to type Windows 11. Then you have to download the official original Microsoft Windows 11 ISO. Then scroll down it, then select the respected ISO and confirm it. And then you have to select the language, so obviously English United States, and confirm it. So once you have this 64-bit download, then you have to just click onto the 64-bit download, and downloading will be started instantly. So I have already downloaded the ISO in order to save the time, and it will be downloaded inside the download folder. So you have to move from download folder to C drive and create a folder like Win, or you can give any name, and put the ISO inside this folder. So after that, you have to extract this ISO here, extract here. So it will take a little while, and entire ISO will be extracted in front of you. And in this video I'm going to show you a little different technique through which you can install or upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11 without any error or bug free, and you will see the difference that how we are going to do that. So once it is exported, I will be back. So once you extract the file, then you have to go on to the CMD, run as administrator, and then you have to navigate the respective folder. And then you will have to type this command. No need to worry about it. I will give this command in the link of the description, or in the description, so you can just copy and paste from there. So copy, let me copy it, and then you have to enter. So once you enter, then you will have a visit of Windows 11 installation, clean visit, and you can see that. Not now, next. So it is getting the things ready, and this is the clean upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 by keeping your data secure and without USB. And most importantly, that this method is a little different from the earlier methods, and through which you will get Windows 11 installation error free. So keep all the files and settings as it is, and now it will take some time in order to ready your installation. So let's wait for a while. Checking for the space. So all is good. Now you have to just click onto the installation, and installation has been started in front of you. So let's wait for a couple of minutes, and approximately it will take around 15 minutes to 25 minutes depending on your computer speed. And I'm going to stop this video, otherwise video will get longer. And once it is done, I will be back. So Windows has been installed successfully, and let me show you the Windows. You can see that it is successfully installed, and let me show you the activation. So no need to worry about your activation. Your Windows 10 license will be shifted onto the Windows 11, and you can see that your Windows is activated. And secondly, let me show you the Windows update. Check for the update. So you can see that you can click onto the check updates, and it is working absolutely fine. So this is end-to-end installation of Windows 11, and through this technique you will not get any error or bug, and this is the one of the finest technique through which you can install the Windows 11 or upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11. Give the thumbs up. If you have any question, leave in the comment section. I will give the answer as soon as possible. You can see that downloading, updates are working properly. Currently it is being downloaded. Once it is downloaded, then it will be installed. So it is pretty much it. See you in the next video. Give the thumbs up. Bye.